So if you are considering a liquid lift, what should you expect? First, we'll sit down and map out your face like a strategy. We'll look at things like your bone frame structure, volume loss, muscle overactivity, facial asymmetry, and skin tone. And then, often over a few sessions, we build, we restore, we balance and harmonize carefully and elegantly. Most patients walk out feeling fresher, feeling more open, feeling like themselves. At my practice, results with Botox usually show in about 5 to 7 days and last around 3 to 4 months. HA fillers show immediate improvement and can last anywhere from 6 to 18 months or more, depending on the area, the products, and the actual metabolism. But the real win is how we used all the treatments or products with strategy and precision. Because a well-done liquid lift isn't loud, it's quietly powerful. People may not know what changed, but they will notice, and yourself too, that you look well-rested, more confident, and the energy you portray will be upgraded. And that's what we want.